When it comes to the law of attraction, every one of us suffers from some sort of doubt. Something hits us right in the face, and it's just like, the universe is just taking a big dump on our chest, and we're like, okay, the law of attraction doesn't work. I'm a good person. Why are all these bad things happening to me? And this happened to me in the form of my grandma getting stage 3 cancer, breast cancer, and talk about a real slap in the face. And today we're going to talk about how she's healed. Hey guys, if you're new here, my name is Kai Valentine of KaiValentine.com, and I am here on YouTube talking about the law of attraction as if you're my friend, and I keep it real, and the intros change from video to video, so nothing is ever the same, and that actually drives my girlfriend literally insane. We had to write out like a poetic, we had to describe each other in like a poetic term, and I called her a raven because she's beautiful, she's mysterious, she's dark and intelligent. She called me a tornado. So that's the kind of the gist of this channel. Today I have a really cool story. It's story time, so grab your sippy cup, sit on the ground and Indian style, don't get up or you go to the office, because I'm gonna tell you today how my grandma beat breast cancer using the law of attraction, even though she doesn't believe in the law of attraction. It's an amazing story. If you've watched my videos before, you'll know that I got pretty upset in a lot of videos talking about this. For a good half a year, we thought she was gone. Doctors had to do the sit-down talk, which just destroyed the family. It literally destroyed the family. Cancer is a son of a bitch. Like, seriously, I want to use the F word. Screw cancer, for real. Screw cancer. It's, just get chills. It destroys families, I'm telling you. We're a strong family, and it really threw us through the ringer. So no medicine was working. She's too old to go through chemotherapy, and that is news that is heartbreaking. She's too old to go through chemotherapy, and it's like, well, what the hell do we do now? And they're like, well, radiation. It's like, okay. Well, we went to one doctor, and they said she had stage 2 cancer, and we're like, really? And they're like, yeah, we can't. We did a biopsy and then another biopsy, and for some reason they wouldn't do more tests. It was like, that's freaking weird. So we took her to a better doctor, and it turns out not only did she have another cyst on another breast, so this cancer had moved over to her other breast, she was in stage 3. And my mom was just going insane, which I understand. It's her mom. It's my grandma, and my heart's breaking. How am I supposed to work knowing my grandma is suffering from this disease? Jesus Christ, this is a tough story. Sorry. So anyway, it was a battle. It was an uphill battle. We all knew it. And no medicine was really working. The radiation wasn't supposed to start for a couple months, and we sat down, and I wanted to talk to her about the law of attraction. And I'm sorry. It's a good story. I don't know why I'm getting emotional. We sat down, and she's extremely Catholic. She's actually where I got my love of God from. She's the one that took me to church, and she's the one that got me into the church. And it's weird because I'm a law of attraction practitioner. I do everything throughout life using the law of attraction. I use it very, very well. I've done very well for myself. And you can too. That's why you're watching this video, watching this channel. And I sat down with her, and I wanted to tell her about the law of attraction. Not 5 minutes in the conversation, she stops me and she's like, I don't believe in that. That's gonna send me to hell. She's extremely Catholic. I was like, you know what? That's fine. So I back off. Because the first thing you want to do if you want to push someone away is just to keep shoving something down their throat. And so I was like, okay, that's fine. And so I stopped, talked to her more about God, because that's our thing. We always talk about God. We always talk about the Catholic religion. I used to be Catholic. I'm Christian now. But like I was saying, it's hard. I'm one of the few law of attraction practitioners that considers themselves very Christian. There's a few of them out there. There's a lot of them out there, but I'm very open about it, accepted Jesus Christ in my heart. Well, anyway, so we're having this conversation, and she looks at me and she goes, Kai, I don't believe I don't have breast cancer. I don't have cancer. I don't feel it. And I'm happy. I don't think about it a lot, and I just see myself as this energetic, happy person. And explosions are going off in my mind. It's like, Grandma, that's the law of attraction. Keep thinking that. But if I would have told her, hey, you're using the law of attraction, it might have scared her away. So I was like, yeah, That's great, Grandma. You keep thinking, I call her Mama. So you keep thinking that way. You keep, keep up that mindset. And so she'd watch comedy. She's always laughing. She's in a good mood. She doesn't think about it a lot. She goes to the doctor's appointments, but she listens and she goes through the treatments. She goes through the surgeries. They did not have to cut off any, I guess, breast. I don't know how far to take this. But it was just, she wasn't able to do these procedures because she was, she's very old. She's like 75. And excuse my cat, he's going crazy with the boxes because we just moved. So long story short, nothing's working. But she just has this thought that she's fine. She doesn't have cancer. She doesn't believe she has cancer. And not only that, she doesn't think about it. She doesn't dwell on it. She's extremely happy. She's coming to Christmas time. This is all happening around the holidays, right? It's just horrible. It's dark. But we're all keeping a happy face on, being strong. And really, she didn't need it because she was just a strong person already, believing that she didn't have this horrible disease, illness, whatever you want to call it. No matter how much the doctor sat her down, it was like, you need to get preparations done. And it's breaking my heart, but she's told me this multiple times, probably 3 separate occasions. She sat down and was like, Kai, it's so weird. She sat me down like 3 times. Kai, it's weird. I don't feel I have cancer. I don't think about it. I'm super happy. I just go on with my daily life, just seeing myself as this happy person. I kid you not. The doctors don't know what happened, but she went into remission. From stage 3 breast cancer to zilch, it went away. It just went away. I'm not a medical doctor. Again, I should say that, don't take any medical advice from this video. I'm not a doctor. This is just for story and entertainment purposes only. But it went away. She went into remission. She went into radiation, which really finalized everything. And the doctors are baffled. My mom is a doctor and she was baffled. What could have happened? And I'm just sitting here by myself just thinking it's the law of attraction. She believed she didn't have it. She was happy. She did everything that any law of attraction practitioner should do in order to get rid of some illness. And talk about really strengthening your belief in the law of attraction is watching someone that doesn't believe it, but does it anyway, because it happens all the time. People who even don't know about the law of attraction are using it. It's just how it works. And she beats cancer without any crazy surgeries. Before radiation, it's already going into remission. And just last week, I was able to see her ring the bell saying she beat cancer, which is the best thing ever. But yeah, it's an amazing story. I hope this inspired you out there. Again, I'm not a medical doctor. Don't take this as medical advice or anything like that. I'm just showing you the power of the law of attraction. This is my personal belief. This is a true story. She did do all of these things and didn't even know it. She's extremely Catholic, so she would still doubt the law of attraction today, even though I would tell her that, hey, you're doing exactly what the law of attraction says to do, what this law is all about. So it's an amazing story. I haven't been around a lot, guys, because I have been really sick for the past 2 weeks, but I'm back now, super happy to be back. And if you are looking to learn how to speed up the manifestation process, how to manifest amazing things into your life, how to beat illness, how to be the best person that you can be, then you should totally join the Valentine family by subscribing down below and hitting that bell notification to be notified of more videos like this. And if you want to help me out, you can hit that like button and share with a friend. I have a video coming up about the luxury apartment I just moved in and how you too can manifest your own luxury apartment. So stick around for that. Got a lot of good content coming out. I actually wasn't supposed to do this video today, but I just felt inspired to do it. I've kind of been dreading it, 'cause, I kind of had a feeling I was gonna get emotional. But you know what? This channel is really all about me being transparent. I want you to feel like you know me. In a strange way, I feel like I know you. The comments, keep them coming, guys. I really appreciate them. I feel like we're friends. We're a big family. So I love you all, guys. Thank you so much for hearing this story out to the end. I really appreciate it. And guys, thank you so much for 700 subscribers. I love you all, and I hope you have a wonderful day. See you next time.